Hey guys, today we're going to set up our math journal. You got a composition notebook, some glue, and then you had a Ziploc bag of materials that you picked up from school. So what you're going to do is open up your journal. On the first page, you are going to put your first name, your last name, math, and 7th grade. Then you're going to turn the page, and on the back of this page, you are going to put a number 1. You're going to number all of your pages, the fronts and the backs, and you're going to go to page 41. So there's 3, there's 4. I'm going to keep going until I get to page 41. Okay? When you open up your bag, there were units clipped together. Okay, so there's unit 1, there's unit 2, and there's unit 3. Unclip unit 1, take the table of contents. It tells you on the page numbers exactly what things to glue down. Everything goes on its own page. So on page 1, I'm going to glue the table of contents. When you're gluing, please only put a dot of glue in the corners of your page. You do not need to put glue all in the middle of this, because we'll be writing on these pages and then it's difficult to write when there's glue on the back. Press down your table of contents on page 1. The next thing is page 2. It says rational numbers foldable. When you look at your stack, this says rational numbers, and these things fold out so you can read inside it. Take this, flip it over, put glue on the back. You don't need a whole lot, and then press it down on page 2. You're going to keep taking the next thing that's in the stack and put it on the following page. Use your guide on your table of contents to know what you're supposed to put on each page. Adding and subtracting rational numbers, that's 2 pages. So the first page was adding positive and negative numbers. If I turn my journal to page 3, I have the adding rules, and then on page 4, I have the subtracting rules. So I'm going to keep taking each thing out of the stack. I'm going to glue it on a separate page. When you get to page 10, this is a foldable. You might need to turn it sideways like this so it fits all on the same page and not sticks out the side. Page 11 was vocabulary, and your table of contents says leave page 12 blank. Then go to page 13, and that's where you start unit 2. Table of contents for unit 2 goes on page 13. You'll glue all these things down, and then pay close attention. It says page 26 needs to stay blank. You'll continue to do the same stuff for unit 3. And then when you finish, unit 3 will start on page 27. You'll leave page 41 blank, and then you'll be done. Please take a picture of your journal completed and send it to me in Canvas. If you have questions, please email me, and I'll see you today on our Zoom meeting.